Forging Foundations. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I organize my Level K math curriculum from The Good and the Beautiful. Now, I will say that I borrowed this idea from Mikkel over at Monson Schoolhouse, so I'll be sure to link her video below. So let's go ahead and take a look. So this is the Level K math curriculum from The Good and the Beautiful, and this is how I'm organizing it with these, this bin. It's called the art bin, and I got this off of Amazon. And inside, I'm able to fit the course book, one of the course books. So I keep the course book that we're working on inside the bin, and then I just mark whatever page we're working on with a sticky note. Then I got these little envelopes, these clear little envelopes with some Velcro. I got these from Amazon as well, and they came in a pack of 12. So I have been using them for a ton of different things. But here is where I keep any of the things that we need to use in lesson. Just take everything out. So I have the number line, and on this number line I circled the odd numbers or the even numbers and then left the odd numbers uncircled, so just to kind of help my son learn the even and odd numbers. And I've got some of other things that we've used in lessons. Got the part whole mat, all the little 10 frames, our handwriting card, which I really need to clean off, and then a little spelling chant, which I'll show you how I actually put that in there so I don't have to take it out every time, and then some other things from lessons. When I'm doing the spelling chant, right now we're in the spelling chant section, I just have this showing on this side so that all I have to do is I don't have to take it out of the envelope. I just flip this over and we go over our spelling chants. Then we keep a little whiteboard in here, and this one I actually got from my mother-in-law and father-in-law. They sell office supplies, so they gave me this for free, but you can get these from the Dollar Tree or any dollar store, or even any of those office supply stores. So this has two sides. We use this side for spelling and writing out words that we're learning to read. So I do end up using this outside of math, but we use it mostly in math, so I keep it in there. Then we've got the place value chart, calendar items, and I will go ahead and show you this in another video later. I've got a hundreds chart. This does not come with the kit. This is something I had just laying around from collecting homeschooling stuff. So I like to use this whenever I am doing the daily dose with my child. When we are doing the place value, we go ahead and he colors in, right now we're on 47, and he colors in the ones, and then we find that number on here. I ask him to circle it with a dry erase marker because this is laminated, and then he counts from 1 all the way up to the number that he circled. So that is how we use the hundreds chart. And like I said, it does not come with the kit. This is something that I just had laying around that I added to the kit. I kept the blocks in their original bag. I added some play money from Lakeshore Learning. And then for the cards, I got these little zipper packs, and these also came in a set of 6, I believe, but they are plastic zippers and they're really nice, good quality. And I just separated the cards with rubber bands based on what they were, and then I put them all, so the number cards are here, but I put them all in one bag. That way, if I need cards, I don't need to go sorting through all the cards in the bottom of the bin. I'm just able to like pull them all out. I know where they are. I just kept this in a Ziploc bag. These are the place value cards that go with the place value chart. I got this from Amazon. I will link this below. This is just a photo case. And again, I got these ideas from Mikkel from Monson Schoolhouse, so be sure to check out her video too. And this just holds all the little manipulatives. So the ones that are used with the 10 frames, there's the bee manipulatives, the little caterpillars that are used for the inchworm, or they're inchworms, garden plant manipulatives. I just keep all of those in here. They're nice and neat, and they fit really nicely. And I have a few of these boxes that I've actually used them for different things. Dry eraser, which we need to replace. One tip, this is a magic eraser. The, what's the guy's name? Mr. Clean. This is a Mr. Clean magic eraser. These are wonderful with dry erase boards. They erase and clean so well. So, and you just throw it out whenever you're done. I just cut them up. I cut them up into smaller strips. Then I've got the Wreck and Rack, the dice, and I don't really have anything to put these in just because there's only 2, but I know with the level 1 math manipulative box, there's a few more different small pieces like the shapes or the 3D shapes and everything. So these might go in a bag in my next kit. I've got the toothpicks. I added a ruler. And then finally, I used one of those other envelopes and I put all of the pattern block cards in here along with the pattern block bag. Just so that if my son really wants to do some pattern blocks or if it's part of one of the bonus activities, I'm able to just grab this and take it, because we normally don't do our bonus activities during our math lesson. We wait till quiet time, and when my little 2 go to bed, he sits and does some bonus activity work before going and playing by himself. So that's how I organize the Level K math curriculum box. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos just like this one. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.